Gonna have to cut the walk a little short today because I just remembered it is that time of the year, tax season, everyone's favorite time of the year, baby. You know why we love tax season? Write-offs.
One of the biggest benefits in investing in real estate versus investing in anything else is the tax write-offs. What I mean by that are there's several things that you can take at the end of the year and write off. Even though you've made the money, you get to take them out when it comes to the tax time. So the biggest factors in that are, one, your interest expense. So any interest you paid over the life of the year on the loan will get written off, and that could be upwards of $10,000 to $15,000 on new construction homes on a 30-year mortgage. The next big thing is going to be depreciation. So you can take off, the house depreciates every year because it's getting older, and you get a write-off for that. And that could be upwards of $10,000 to $15,000 a year. And depreciation alone, even 20. You can write off the cost of your insurance, your property taxes, and lastly, any one-time expenses that you put into the house for the year. So let's say you redid the entire kitchen, and that cost you $10,000 to $15,000. You can write that off one time only, but you still get to write it off. So over the course of the year, you're looking at $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 in write-offs. And that's why I target new construction properties in Philly, because the interest expense is really high with the sticker price. There's no taxes on the properties, and the depreciation is really high because of the sticker price, but you're still able to bring in a pretty good chunk of change that you're then able to write off. When you run your own business, there's a lot of things that you can write off that help you when it comes to being tax season. So some of the bigger things are mileage. Any mileage you put on your car, I believe the rate's around 57 cents a mile right now. You can write off any marketing expenses you had, so whether you ran Facebook ads, Instagram ads, printing out flyers, supplies for the office, space that you have, you can write off the office space. So whether you're working out of a home office, you can write off part of that. Or if you're renting an office space, which I doubt anyone is right now with COVID, but you can write off the lease for that. Anyone that you're paying to help you with things, contracting out, you can write off the contracting expenses. When you run a small business, there's a lot of opportunity to try to get ahead by putting in honest work and then writing off things that you honestly paid for, and just making sure you're not leaving any expenses on the table that you did incur. So let's go, tax season, small business owners, let's get it.